4-lead wiring harness. 4 sets of 10 feet light output connectors and 2 sets extension wires, can be used to hook up 4 or more ampere LED rock lights, LED work lights, LED pods and other off-road lights that less than 80 W, totally. Safety protection. Blade fuse and 40A power relay for efficient circuit protection when overcurrent or short circuit occurs. Power switch. Red illuminated indicator LED on the switch, durable power on/off toggle switch. Compatible. Used for all automobiles, boats and devices equipped with a 12 VDC power. Please note, totally lights power should be less than 80 W, professional installation needed for this item, or may lead to short circuit. Please wrap all exposed wire with electrical tape to avoid a short circuit before connect the harness to power. Top reviews from the United States. Quality wiring harness. Used this harness when I put a light bar on my wife's Renegade. The length was just right and it works perfectly. The instructions were clear and so simple to install. I am definitely getting another one when I get my own light bar.